Hello and welcome to Nural Tech Apps. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using the Nural SFA app. Let's get started. If you are an Android user, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar of the Play Store, type Nural SFA and press Enter. Locate the Nural SFA app from the search results and click on the Download button to begin the download and installation process. Once the app is downloaded, tap on the app icon to open it. You will be prompted to enter the access key provided by your organization. Please enter the access key in the provided field. Next, enter your user ID and password that have been shared with you by your organization. Double-check to ensure you have entered the correct credentials. If you mistakenly enter the wrong user ID and password, you will receive a pop-up notification stating invalid credentials. Upon entering the correct credentials, you will receive a successful login message indicating that you have successfully logged into the app. You will now be directed to your dashboard or the menu options page, where you can access various features and functions of the Nural SFA app. Congratulations! You are now ready to use the Nural SFA app for your Salesforce automation activities. We hope you find this tutorial helpful in using the Nural SFA app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing Nural Tech Apps.